Dean Karnazes, this salad's for you. I'm making a great superfood salad with all these wonderful fresh vegetables. And the first step is to grate the carrot. I've already got my cabbage grated, and I've got a whole selection of other great products from Messina. I'm getting the carrots right into the cabbage before I start shredding this beautiful red cabbage. We all learn from a very young age in Greece that the more color in a salad, the healthier it is. I'm gonna get the pomegranate in here next. Pomegranates are only in season for a couple of months, and it's one of those things that really speaks to the heart and soul of all Mediterranean cooking. Eat things in season. Kalamata figs go in here next. This is going right over the salad. It is so pretty. I'm adding some sunflower seeds to this. I really like to add seeds and nuts to my salads. I just want to toast these a little bit to bring out some of that beautiful nutty flavor. This is going right into the mix. You see they're nice and toasted, very crunchy. Next, chopped green olives. You can also use chopped kalamatas. And just really nice, fresh, finely chopped dill, just to perk this up even more. When I thought about a dressing for my superfood, super healthy, dedicated to Dean Karnazes salad, I thought about local ingredients from Messina. Oranges for one. A little bit of local balsamic vinegar and Messinian olive oil. I'm just gonna start to whisk until this is nice and emulsified. So that's exactly what we want. The oil and the acid have kind of come together, they're emulsified. I'm gonna add a little bit of this mustard and whisk that in. The honey. A pinch of local Greek sea salt from the area. And just a pinch of pepper. See how smooth and velvety the dressing is? That's exactly what we want. I'm gonna pour that right into the salad. I like to toss my salads by hand. I suggest you take off your beautiful Greek jewelry before you do that. I certainly do. You can see how beautiful this seasonal Greek salad is. I want to be sure to get a bunch of everything. This is great. It's got great texture, lots of complex flavors. I'm getting briny olives and sweet figs and the orange in the dressing and the nice sweet acidity of the balsamic. It's all coming through. What does one drink with a superfood healthy Greek salad? Super healthy Greek mountain tea. That's really refreshing, very grassy and herbaceous. The perfect drink after a good workout. I would definitely run a mile to learn even more about good nutrition and about the beautiful flavors of Messina.